Hello there. Welcome back to Brain Ease, your number one source for content that will supercharge your brain and turn you into a superhuman in no time. Today we will be focusing on healthy skin and 5 secrets that will help you have glowing, vibrant skin that will surely boost your confidence and self-esteem. Brainers, it's no secret that the largest organ in our bodies require very special care, so without further ado, let's jump into these 5 secrets that you can add to your morning and night routine. Brainers, the world is filled with beauty, it's filled with inspiration, and a lot of it comes from within, starting with you. You see, each one of us expresses our own unique character and charisma that the world deserves to see. First thing first, people will always notice how well we maintain our grooming and our skin. Every shade in the world is beautiful and every walk of life has a glow that they can and should inspire. But it's also up to individuals to take good care of themselves. So, we've put together our routine that will help you look how you feel, which is beautiful. Let's jump in. Number 1. Moisturizer. Moisturizers come in all forms. From the super expensive to the super cheap, moisturizers can be found just about anywhere. A good moisturizer should leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated, not oily and grimy. One important ingredient that should be inside of your moisturizer is hyaluronic acid. This ingredient is special because it can hold water at 1,000 times its weight, which in turn hydrates the skin and leaves it with a certain glow. On average, you should moisturize your face twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening. This ensures that your skin remains hydrated throughout the day and into the night. Here are 3 of the best facial moisturizers for you that won't break the bank but provide the best results. Number 2. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is essential to the health of your skin and its beautiful glow. Vitamin E prevents aging skin by providing hydration. Dry skin is one of the leading reasons for pre-wrinkles and aging skin. By applying vitamin E, you're helping replenish your skin's youthfulness and strength. Vitamin E also removes dirt and buildup that may be lurking within your skin as well. It's recommended that you apply vitamin E oil once or twice a week alongside your other facial routine. Here are 3 of some of the best vitamin E oils for your facial routine. Number 3. Ice water. Nothing is more refreshing than plunging your face into a bowl of ice water in the morning. The frigid temperature of the water is sure to send a shock to your face and wake up your senses that will give you a spark early in the a.m. Ice water on your face can ease the inflammation of acne, soothe sunburn, and reduce signs of aging such as wrinkles and blemishes. When you plunge your face into cold water, you can significantly reduce facial puffiness, and it can also tighten your skin for a certain amount of time. Try taking a large kitchen bowl and filling it with ice water. Submerge your face for 30 seconds before grabbing your towel. Number 4. Fruits and vegetables. Brainers, it's no secret that what we put into our bodies will determine how external side will look and feel. It's very important that we eat healthy fruits and veggies that will stimulate the body's vitamin C and vitamin E. Fruits such as strawberries, watermelons, and apples are great for glowing skin. Veggies that promote healthy skin are carrots, kale, papaya, and spinach, just to name a few. Also, you must incorporate water into your daily diet as well. Drinking water daily, preferably 6 glasses, may help reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Bottom line is this: the powerful antioxidants that help protect your skin can be found in eating healthy fruits, vegetables, and drinking water. Do your best to limit processed foods and sugars. Exercise daily and see how this improves your skin. Number 5. Face misting. Face misting machines can be purchased on Amazon for a very low price that everyone can afford. Face misting can help with dry skin or sensitive, irritated conditions. Adding moisture to your face daily with a mist machine can add a certain glow that will leave your skin feeling amazing. Simply add water to the machine, add a little lavender oil, and mist your face for 30 seconds. Try doing this in the morning with your routine. Maybe add this as the last final touches to your regimen. Here are 2 face misters that you may consider purchasing. And there you have it, 5 secrets that will keep your skin and face looking amazing for years to come. We thank you for watching, and if you would be so kind as to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to grow our platform, we will greatly appreciate it. We hope that these tips help with your beautiful skin regimen and that your confidence goes through the roof once you begin to see the benefits and changes in your appearance. As always, Brainers, your family here, and we want to know how well these secrets are working for you. Let us know in the comments what you think. Until next time, see you later, Brainers.